children. Now I am going to take mental maths for class 3 children. All of you, are you ready with your mental maths book? Everybody take page 11. Exercise 11 and page 11. Are you ready? Write the place value of value of 7 in 373 is, we have to write down the place value. You read 3 ones, tens and hundreds. Ones, tens and 100. 3 ones, 7 tens and 3 hundreds. Place value of 7 is 7 tens. This is 7 tens is equal to 70. 7 tens, 7 times 10 is equal to 70. So the place value of 7 in 373. 3 ones, 7 tens is equal to 70. Understand? The next one, 9 in 879. 9 in 879. What is the answer? 9 ones, 7 tens and 800. That is 879. Here only 9 ones is equal to 9 ones. You write 9. The next one, 4 in 493. 4 in 493. 3 ones, 9 tens and 4 hundreds. What is the place value for here? 400. This is 400. Then the place value of 4 in 493 is 400. You do 2 questions are left. You complete that. Okay. 3 ones I have done for you. Then next here, 0 in 302. What is the place value of 0 in 302? There is no digits or numbers there, only 0. 0 means nothing. So 0 ones and 0 tens. 6 in 663. 6 in 663. Can you tell me? 6 in 663. 2 6 are there, no? 3 ones, 6 tens and 6 hundreds. Then 2 6, we have to write that. Then 6 tens. 6 tens means 60. 600 means 6 into 100. 6 times 100 make 600. 6 times 100 make 600. Like that you write. Then 1 in 121. 2 ones are here, no? Then what is the place value of 1 1? 1, only 1, no? One's place there is 1. 1 in 1's place and 2 in 10's place. Then again 1 in 100's place. So 1 and 100. There you do 3 questions I have done for you. Then you write the 2 questions are left with it. So you complete that. Okay. Then next question. Using the given digits once each make all the possible 3-digit numbers. Numbers 3, 4 and 5. 3 digits are given for to make numbers. You have done it in the previous classes. 3, 4, 5. Using these 3 digits, you make as many numbers are there. First example is there. 345, 354, 435, 453, 534, 543. Next one, 211, 230, 2, 1, 3. Using these digits, can you how many numbers you can make? You see, 231, 213, 312, 321, 123, 132. Like that, you make only once you make one digit. You make that numbers. 4, 7, 3. Can you say the numbers? 437, 473, 734, 743, again 374 and 347. You carefully observe these numbers. Watch these numbers. Then you will get 437. Then instead of 4 here 37, here comes 73. 37. 7 comes here and 3 goes there. Understand? You see 231. 3 comes here. Here 3 comes and 1 comes here. Then you can make as many numbers as this. Next one, you complete three questions are left for you. Using digits 3, 5 and 7, once each, write now numerals having 1 digit. You can use any numbers from here, 3, 5 and 7. First of all, from 1 digit number you make. 3, 1 digit number, 5, 1 digit number, 7, 1 digit number. Then 2 digit number, can you make 2 digit number? 3, 5 and 7 are the digits given. 2 digit number, 3 and 5 you take, 35. 35. Then you can take a reverse, 53. Then 7 and 5 you take, 75. Then 5 and 7, 57. Next one, 5 and 3, 53. Then 7 and 3, 73. One more question is left for you. You complete that. Okay. Next exercise we will do on the another day. You must do all the homeworks. I will give you the notes and you write down the notes in your notebook. Very carefully you must write down in your notebook. Okay. Thank you children. Best of luck.